so we're here in Ohio. Can't even spit that out. It's hard for me to say. I'm used to saying Kentucky, southeast Kentucky. But this is another project for a family member we're doing. We are replacing a door and doing new siding on the house. And all kinds of goodies coming down the line. And putting some log siding on the house, just all kinds of good stuff. So, guys, my video stand is broken. I still don't have one yet, but I'll try to get some short clips this morning as I'm doing it. But it'll be, if we go to Walmart later, I'll try to get a new one. But right now I don't have one, but I'll see if I can get one later. Here you go, guys. This is what's going on. So we'll be putting a sliding glass door here, 72 by 80. We'll be tearing all this vinyl siding off and putting log siding on this and trimming that window out and all kinds of goodies going on here. We'll be fixing this deck, putting new deck boards on it, ripping down this little shed, and we'll be doing a lot of stuff. And let's go around front. We got some beautiful log siding set out here that we have to stain. Got a whole trailer full of it over there. And the video and in person, this don't look like really round log siding, but I'm telling you, they had a cabin there with it on it. When this stuff goes on, it looks amazing. It looks beautiful. And it'll look just like, logs on the side of the house. And there's those. Got me two different staining racks set up. I got 57 of those 16 footers to stain, so that'll be a lot of fun work. This front porch area will be getting log siding. We'll be doing a new screen door on it. So guys, we got a bunch to do on this house. I'm excited and pumped to get it done, and I can't wait for y'all to go along with me. Starting to rain on us a little, but we're getting this siding tore off. I gotta go get some tools to take that light and that plug off. Get some wire nuts to put over the wires. But it's coming along good. Looking nice. It ain't looking nice yet, I don't guess, but it's gonna look nice when we get done. Guys, we about got it all house wrapped, but it started raining on us, so I'm gonna call that quits on the video today. Hey guys, good morning. Johnathan with GK Building. If it's your first time tuning in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Let's get right into this thing. So this morning we're actually getting ready to stain some quarter sawn log siding, and we're putting it up on this house, a few accent walls on the exterior of the home. And We're going to be getting the staining this morning. This is probably the most drawn out, horrible process of the whole deal is the staining, but it's part of the job, you know. We're going to get right into it. We'll be using some Bear, I think that's how you pronounce that, premium semi-transparent waterproofing stain and sealer. And there's the log siding. In the video it looks flat, but it's got a pretty good radius to it. And once you get it on the walls, it looks like real log siding. So it's cheaper than buying like half-sawn logs and stuff, so it'll look good, I'm telling you. Let's get right into this thing. We kind of got a little assembly line going. I'll show you what we're doing here. First, I come through with a roller, and I'm rolling the whole tongue side. And then I come back and roll the whole thing, and then the wife comes behind me, and she's wiping off all the excess stain, and that's saturating the wood really good. Because you got, this wood is kiln dried, and it's pretty dry stuff, so you want to make sure you get the stain saturated in it really good, and that way it makes it waterproof. We're using, like I said, that waterproof stain and sealer, so you'll have to redo it probably every 4 to 6 years. you, Lord. Finally finished with the first time ever doing, I guess you'd call this shiplap tongue sighting. It was miserable doing it by yourself. Every board you had to climb the ladder, measure, come back down, cut the board, climb back up the ladder, put it up. Definitely would like to have an extra set of hands. The wife tried to help some, but she's got both the girls in there. So it's hard for her to do much, but I appreciate the little bit of help she gave. Man, I'm tired. Now I gotta caulk everything in. So I say I'm done, but I'm not technically done. I'm done putting the siding up, thank the Lord. Let's get to caulking. So guys, we got to try to rip all this siding off this morning. I'm just using my 2-foot flat bar and getting up behind it. Hard to video and do this at the same time. I'm just ripping it off piece by piece. We got to rip all that off the front because it's getting log sided too. And from that post to that post. Let's get with it, fellas. So guys, sitting here editing this video and I realized I got a new phone and somehow I lost some of my footage, and I want to apologize, but we're going to get right into the finished project, or the finished footage of this log siding on the front of this house. Sorry again guys, but hopefully you ain't hating too much on me. Sorry about the slow about getting videos up too. We just had a lot going on. Appreciate y'all staying tuned though and waiting on the videos. you, Lord, for this food. Guys, it's almost midnight, and I'm going to sit here and reap the benefit of my beautiful hard work here on this house. Good thing is we're kin to the people I'm working for, so I can sit out here and eat beef and noodles at midnight and drink a Coca-Cola and won't nobody say nothing about it. As you've seen here, we're finally finished with this log siding, and I think it turned out great. I appreciate y'all watching. I think it turned out great. I appreciate y'all watching, and I'm gonna have me a midnight snack, and y'all hit that like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I appreciate every one of you all. I love you. We'll see you later.